Hi guys. Welcome to my Excel video. Let's learn something new today that can help you sharpen your Excel skills. If you want to learn more, please scan the QR code or click on the link in the description to take my Excel courses on Udemy. Thank you, and let's get started.
You're now feeling a lot more comfortable about working with data in Excel. Let's take a look at how we perform calculations. For lots of us, this is where the real concerns lie. So, we're gonna start right from the beginning by breaking down simple calculations called formulas. Imagine that we run a small gym. We have 20 male members and 10 female members. And now we want to know our total membership. So, we need to add those two values together. Step 1. Click on the cell where you want the answer to go. Step 2. Type equal. Next, you could do what you do on a calculator and type 20 plus 10. Press enter, and there you go, the right answer. However, that's not very quick, and when I do it that way, I'm quite likely to make an error. More importantly, if either of these values change, I'm going to have the wrong answer. So, we're going to do it the Excel way. Type equal. Click on the first value you want to add, type plus, click on the second value you want to add, and now click enter. We got the same answer, but if my female memberships go up to 15, my total automatically recalculates. And that is part of the power of Excel. Interesting, right? Now I'm gonna undo that last change. Let's quickly make sure we're happy with that formula. So it's equals B3 plus B4. In other words, it adds up whatever is in B3 to whatever is in B4 and gives me the answer. Now let's take a look at a subtraction. I'd like to find out the difference between my male and female membership. Same steps. Click on the cell, type equal, click on B3, type a minus, which is a dash, click on B4, and then click enter. Easy, right? So, to do an addition, we use a plus. To do a subtraction, we use a minus. Now, to do a multiply, we use an asterisk. And to do a divide, we use a forward slash. Let's make an example for each of these. Now, imagine that we need to make sure we have 3 towers per member. I'm gonna need to multiply my membership by 3. So, I'm gonna start by typing equal, click on my members, type asterisk, which is shift 8, click on my 3, and then click enter. Now let's do a divide. Let's say we need to make sure that for every 5 members, we have an instructor. We're gonna need to divide our membership by 5. So, I'm gonna type equal, click on my total members, type my forward slash, click 5, and then enter. You see? Nice and straightforward. So, that's how you work with basic formulas in Excel. Now it's your turn to practice. Remember, practice makes perfect. That's all for today, guys. Thank you again for choosing my course. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.
That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and don't forget to scan the QR code or click on the link in the description to take my Excel courses on Udemy. Thank you again. See you on the next video.